How much can Brits save on their all-in-4 dental implant treatment with Nobel Biocare? The short answer is a lot. If you look at the above infographic, you can see that when you're in the UK, you're roughly paying just over £13,000 for all-in-4s. But if you go to Turkey, you're paying roughly, a little bit less than £5,000. In Hungary, you're paying mid £5,600. And finally, in Spain, you're paying a hair over £6,000 at £6,300. The great thing about this infographic is, if you look below, we've actually factored in the travel costs. So as you can see, local travel to Turkey, Hungary, Spain is quite inexpensive with Ryanair or EasyJet. But if you go to places like Thailand, you go to places like Bali, you're going to pay more because it costs more to travel from the UK to a Thailand or a Bali. So generally speaking, you can look up here on this wonderful chart that we put together that if we include the travel costs that we picked up from Booking.com and Skyscanner, along with our data from Dental Departures, you can see that from the UK, the best places for you to get savings are Hungary, Spain, and ultimately Turkey, where you're looking at 57% in Hungary. In Spain, you're looking at 54%, and in Turkey, you're looking at 64%. And that does include travel costs. You can jet on over to places like Thailand, but of course, it's more expensive to go ahead and fly, so therefore you're only seeing a 30% savings. Pro tip, what we want to think about when we go abroad for our dental implants, all-in-4, is you have to think about travel. One, you have to think about your air costs, which in this model we factored in 2 flights to go to and from the UK. That's important because dental implants are generally in 2 stages. The first stage, and then subsequently the follow-up stage is in essence 4 to 6 months later. So 2 flights. In addition, you have to stay in hotels twice. So we actually have to factor in 2 visits of 7 nights hotel stays. So that's a total of 14 days staying in a hotel that you have to factor into your savings, which we've built in right here. So when you factor in travel and you factor in the savings that you have for the actual all-in-4 dental implant treatment concepts with Nobel Biocare, you can very clearly save yourself a large amount of money when you get on a plane and you travel to Hungary, Spain, Turkey, Thailand, and have a great dental experience.